Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking exactly what's using space so you act on the biggest culprits first. Open Settings, tap your name, then Icloud, view total and per app usage. Once you see the breakdown, tap Manage Storage and identify large items like old device backups, heavy apps, or messages. Immediately delete any outdated backups or huge app data you no longer need. This frees space fast and prevents you from buying extra storage unnecessarily. Make sure to confirm deletions to avoid accidental data loss. Next, reduce the two usual space hogs, photos and messages. Turn on Optimize iPhone storage so full-resolution files stay in iCloud while smaller versions remain on device, which saves local space. For big videos, export them to a computer or external drive, then delete from the Photos app to reclaim gigabytes. For messages, go to iPhone storage and delete large attachments or entire conversations you don't need. Once done, review recently deleted in Photos and Messages to permanently free the space. Finally, control future growth by customizing backups and app data. Go to iCloud Backups, select your device, and toggle off apps that don't need cloud backups. This reduces the next backup size. Also consider excluding photo library from backups if iCloud Photos is enabled. If you still can't free enough space, sign out of iCloud, reboot your device, then sign back in to refresh storage reporting. If that fails, contact Apple support. A quick reboot and relogin often resolves stuck or incorrect storage totals.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.